Go to latest version of FDM Webscada Windows Setup. Right-click and run as administrator. Just accept the software agreement and press Next, and then install. It will automatically install all the required files and make necessary services. Once it is installed successfully, click Finish button. Now go to Services and ensure that all the services starting from the word FDM shall be running. If not, then run them intentionally. Ensure database service, named Mongo Server DB, shall also be in running condition. Now open any modern web browser and type the URL https://localhost 3004. It will show you the login page of FDM Webscada. Congratulations, you have installed and run the software successfully.